Yo, peace to the gods, peace to the earth. This your man, the King of Truth. King Truth is Allah. Coming on this knowledge build destroy day in our supreme mathematics knowledge. So how we get to today's math is knowledge plus build destroy. Knowledge is number 1. Build destroy is number 8. That's 18. So we do today's math by simply just adding the numbers. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 in our supreme mathematics equals born. Born means to bring into existence, to manifest something, right? To make it real, right? From your thoughts, from your mind to actual reality, right? To born something. Knowledge plus build destroy, right? So, man, this been bothering me, man. Gay-Z's legal troubles been bothering me. It's a trending topic. And my issue, if you check my videos, is that the people in trouble or being the accused can't defend themselves. Like Bill Cosby. I never heard Bill Cosby say he didn't do it. Stand in front of the courthouse and say he didn't do it. From jail say he didn't do it. We don't hear Pussy Combs say he didn't do it, but he didn't put out statements say he didn't do it, but turns out, he did some of these things that, he's being accused of, like beat up Miss Cassie, right? He did that after he said he didn't do it. So now this woman, so everybody is saying that the woman, the alleged victim, has dropped the case. Right? Gay-Z lawyer got her to drop the case with prejudice. Right? Which means they can no longer bring charges against him. Right? And so I'm like, well, okay, it's regular people like myself saying this based on something they read, right? My understanding of the law is layman, general. I'm not a lawyer, not an expert. But, I understand basic law and how it works, right? And why hasn't the prosecutor, the prosecuting attorney's office made this statement? I don't understand why it's not up to Jay-Z lawyer to dismiss the case. The prosecuting attorney office, the people that have alleged and was investigating this young woman's claim, can only dismiss this case. See what I'm saying? So I haven't heard anything from the prosecuting attorney's office that is supposing to be prosecuting Gay-Z. See what I'm saying? So, if you don't hear from the prosecuting attorney's office, no statement, no formal statement from the prosecuting attorney's office that this case has been dismissed, then, I wouldn't, bet on it, right? And then, like with, why, if that is the case, why Jay-Z can't make a statement with his lawyer, in front of at the lawyer's office, somewhere in the studio, somewhere in a conference room, saying it was over is BS. See what I'm saying? Some people are speculating that maybe they paid her to get her to drop the case, but it ain't on the victim to drop the case. It's up to the prosecuting attorney. See, the whole New York system it's just reeks of corruption. And they in the public eye, like Fagavilli, Tupac. He not dead, and he still got an outstanding appeal trial for rape that he has to go to, and the Manhattan prosecuting attorney, no, he not dead, and they won't bring him back to fight his trial. So this is ugly business if people can gather that that the victim dropped her case. The victim can't drop. Now she can, she could get, she could have got settled for non-disclosed amount where she won't testify, right? And so that will weaken the prosecuting attorney's case against Jay-Z. Gay-Z, see what I'm saying? So that's the only way that, that the prosecuting attorney will be able to drop the case if the main witness was paid off. So now the prosecuting attorney's office should make a statement saying, the case dismissed for lack of evidence. And if she don't make it and Jay-Z's lawyer have the official document that the case been dropped, then they ought to let him say the case been dropped, or stand with his lawyer and explain. That's an ugly charge for somebody that he can't even really defend himself on publicly. If once again, the truth will prevail. If you didn't do something, say you ain't do it. You can explain how you ain't run up in no 13-year-old girl. You see what I'm saying? So, until these dudes are able to defend themselves, man, he done something to the girl then. That's going to be my position, because he can't say he didn't. You see what I'm saying? Under extreme interrogation. And that's it. And that's a Gayle King interview. That's an Oprah interview. That's a Tamron Hall interview. That's a King Truth interview. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to interview with the dude, but he need to be put in the hot seat. You see what I'm saying? So that's a Cooper Anderson interview. Somebody that's gonna take him to task. So that's all I'm saying, man. Build, destroy. Don't let false allegation destroy your reputation, what you didn't build, because you can't explain how you didn't do it. That's all I'm saying. Peace. I'm out.